Hey everybody, I wanted to show everyone this cool website I've been using for the last maybe 5 years or so. Prior to even finding out about this website, I used to have to pay extra for SFTP servers, and I'd have to remember a password, I'd have to worry about security, sometimes it was slow, I'd have to worry about backups and that sort of thing. With this service, Netlify, I can basically spin up a new idea, launch a website in a matter of seconds if I want to make a tutorial of that sort of thing. Even my websites are actually hosted on Netlify, and I just have domains on Google Domains, and I'm pointing directly to these various releases of my websites. I can show you what I mean here. So here's what the site looks like. It's called Netlify, and for example, if I want to create, let's say, a website and launch it on Netlify, here's a website here. So it's just basically a folder, right? Just for illustrative purposes, let's just call it website example. Call it anything. And if you go into it, as long as you have an index file, this is all Netlify needs to launch your website. So my index file is going to look something like this, right? And this is just launching locally off my computer. Now, what I'm going to do is go back into Netlify, and I'm going to say add new site. Then I'm going to say deploy manually. So it's this last option here. And I'm going to drag and drop your site here. What I'll just actually, I'll do that, fine. Put this onto the side here. And I'll drag this website example folder in here. I just want to show how easy it is. So this is basically creating new web space for me for free. And it's generating this kind of funny URL here, but point is, it's hosting my test site without any kind of advertising, no gimmicks, nothing. The next step to make this look official is basically just have your own domain, buy something for between $10 to $20 a year, and link it to Netlify. And that's the cost of having a website these days. There's no need for purchasing additional web space. You don't need to have an FTP or an SFTP anymore. Netlify is awesome. So just another feature which I use all the time if I'm updating my website. So again, here's the build that was just deployed, and we can actually make a change to it. So let's do a quick HTML change. So this is my editor, Sublime Text, and so instead of thank you for your purchase, I'm going to make it say thanks for your purchase. And I'm going to just save it, close this, and go back to Netlify. And see here, need to update your site, drag and drop your site output folder here, or browse to upload. This is the alternative method, right? I'm going to browse to upload. Desktop, website example, upload. That was about 2 seconds. So there you go. Thank you for your purchase. Now it's thanks for your purchase. Super easy. Love this service. This is not sponsored. I just wanted to share this with everybody. If you're developing an idea, even if you're hosting your own website, all of my websites are hosted on Netlify, and I'm just pointing a domain to them. I make sometimes 25 to 50 updates a week. And it's super easy. I just do it in the way that I showed you. I update it on my desktop, then I push over either the folder or I search for the folder, and that's it. Really easy. So that's netlify.app. Or netlify.com. I'll put a link in the description, no worries. Thanks so much.